Hi everyone, in this video I will show you step by step how people are making thousands of dollars every month using fully automated YouTube channels and how you can do it too. First, you need to know about what is YouTube automation. YouTube automation is a business model where you run a YouTube channel without personally creating any of the content. You hire freelancers to write scripts, do voiceovers, creative videos and even upload them, while you focus on strategy and growth. Think of channels like Top 10s, Facts, Motivation, AI News or Celebrity Gossip. Many of these are automated behind the scenes. You become the owner of the channel and the business brain while the content is created by a remote team. Then how do you make money from YouTube automation? You can earn through ad revenue from YouTube Partner Program, affiliate marketing, placing product links in the descriptions, sponsorships from brands, and even digital products if you want to scale further. Once your videos get views, the income becomes passive. They keep earning while you sleep. Here's how to start your own automated channel. Step number 1. Pick a profitable niche. Focus on evergreen topics like health, finance, tech or motivation. Step number 2. Do competitor research. Look for what's already working, then model it with your own twist. Step number 3. Build your team. Use websites like Fiverr or Upwork to hire scriptwriters, voiceover artists, video editors and thumbnail designers. Step number 4. Upload consistently. Start with 1 to 2 videos per week. Use SEO friendly titles and keywords. Step number 5. Apply for monetization. Once you hit 1000 subscribers and 4000 watch hours, apply for the YouTube Partner Program. Tips to grow faster. Use trending topics with evergreen value. Optimize your thumbnails and titles, that's what gets clicked. Watch audience retention, keep people engaged with storytelling. Stay consistent, YouTube rewards consistent uploads. If this video helped you understand YouTube automation, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more ways to make money online.